Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will learn about nested loops in C programming. Nested loop is nothing but placing a loop inside another loop. From the example syntax, you can see I have placed a for loop inside another for loop. Here, for every single iteration of the outer for loop, the inner for loop will complete its entire loop. Let's see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named nestedloop.c. I am including the header file stdio.h to use the printf statement. I am creating the main function of the program. Within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring two integer variables I and j. Next, I am creating a for loop which will run from I equal to 1 to I equal to 5. Within this for loop, I am adding a printf statement to display the value of I. Within the same loop, in the next line, I am adding another for loop which will run from j equal to 1 to j equal to 5. Within this inner loop, I am adding a printf statement to display the value of j. I am adding return 0 at the end of the main function. Let's save the program, and to compile it, I am opening the VS Code terminal by pressing Ctrl J, and in the terminal I am typing gcc space nestedloop.c and then pressing enter. And to run the program in the same terminal window, I am typing /a.exe and then pressing enter. From the output, we can see when the value of I equal to 1, the value of j equal to 1 to j equal to 5 is displayed. This means the first iteration of the outer loop, the value of I equal to 1, it is displayed. And in the same iteration, the inner loop j equal to 1 to j equal to 5 is executed so that the value of j equal to 1 to j equal to 5 is displayed. Similarly, for the second iteration, when the value of I equal to 2, again the value of I is displayed, and then the loop for j equal to 1 to j equal to 5 will be executed. In the similar way, the iteration 3, 4, 5 will happen for this nested loops. This is how you can use the nested loop. We will see lot of examples using the nested loop in our upcoming videos. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.